Hi guys and welcome to another episode of Paul's POV. I'm Paul. These are the Bose Soundsport Free. And the question today is, are these still relevant? The Soundsport Free was launched in September of 2017. And since then they've not really been refreshed. Sure, they've gotten a few updates over the Bose app that have sorted out a few niggles here and there. But since then till now, there are a lot of new truly wireless earphones that have been launched into the market and that cost a hell of a lot less. These cost 19,000. So let's talk about the build quality. The clamshell charging case comes with a micro USB charging port, which does get the job done. The earbuds have a plastic body and the outer shell comes with 3 different color options: black, midnight blue and bright orange. These are pretty large for truly wireless earphones according to current standards. The bud locks are made of a soft silicone material and you get custom sized ones in the box. Bose made these more for outdoor running, so they have made these an open design, which does let a lot of outside sounds come in, which should keep you safe on your outdoor runs should there be a car honking at you. The charging case has 5 LED lights that show you how much battery it has left in reserve by pressing the release button. On the inside, it has 2 LEDs near each bud. When flashing, they are charging up the buds, and a steady light means they're at 100% and ready to go. Both earbuds have tactile buttons. They're a bit firm for my taste, but some people will appreciate these. You can increase and reduce volume, play, pause, skip or repeat tracks, and answer and end calls. You can also activate your personal voice assistant by pressing and holding the middle function button on the right earbud. You can also download the Bose Connect app to whichever device you're using, and this will help you update your earbuds whenever there's an update available. The app lets you customize standby times and toggle the voice prompts. You also have a feature that lets you find your earbuds if you've misplaced them. They need to be within Bluetooth range, of course, and you'll hear them chiming to get your attention. Calls only come through on the right earbud. If you're listening to music or absorbing any other content, the left bud will suddenly go dead. Call clarity coming in and going out is as clear as it could be, but it does feel strange if you're used to listening to the caller on both earbuds. Battery life is close to what Bose claims. You charge them up and it lasts you more than long enough for an outdoor run or a session at the gym. They'll go for about 4 hours with audio levels at about 60 to 70%, and then you can always dump them back into the charging case, which will give you 9 to 10 hours more of playtime. I have tested a few recent earbuds with Bluetooth 5.0 and those have had a lot of cuts in their signal. These have Bluetooth 4.1. Yeah, they're dated, but not once during my testing did I have any cuts in the connection. Moving on to the most important thing now, how do they sound? Let's talk about the soundstage first. All music is concentrated within your head. There are times when some of the music can sound like it's coming a little out of the earbud, but not very often. The phantom channel is well balanced, dead center, and it has good presence. Instruments are spread out very well in this internal bubble. Separation between vocals and instruments is quite clear. Tuning into certain instruments is quite easy because they don't merge into any other frequencies. All frequencies being pushed out feel quite effortless and relaxed. These earphones don't strain at any point, even at higher volumes. High frequencies are handled very well and there are no sibilances because there's a roll-off on the higher frequencies, so these don't hurt your ears even at higher volumes. Despite the roll-off, they don't feel like they're lacking in the high frequency range. Mid frequencies are presented well and they come off on the same plane as the rest of the music as they are not recessed. Male and female vocals come through quite effortlessly and they do sound quite natural thanks to the warmer tone of the midtones. Bass extends really low. It has a pleasant yet strong impact and doesn't intrude in the mid frequencies. This ensures clean sounding bass for your dance or upbeat music for your runs or workouts. The bass and the sub bass have a certain body to them that hits you in a typical Bose fashion. Bose certainly knows what they're doing with their bass, which will definitely get you pumped up for your workout. So the sound spots have very good presence even at lower volumes. Even if you're playing it at 30% volume, there's no loss in any frequencies. Because of Bose's open design, a lot of people won't be too happy with the sound leak inward. But if you listen to these in a quiet indoor area, they do sound quite terrific. If you're running with them outdoors and there's too much sound coming in, you can always give it a little more volume. These aren't the best looking earbuds out there, especially in today's day and age, but after you give them a listen, the sound alone just trumps the way they look. These lean toward a slightly more warmer sound, so they tend to sound a lot more natural than a lot of other earphones that are in the market. So if you're somebody who's okay going in for an older set of earphones that don't have Bluetooth 5.0, that doesn't have any touch control areas, and you're okay looking like a Star Wars character while wearing them and appreciate good sound, these could be the earbuds for you. Keep in mind though, Bose announced a prototype for the Bose Earbuds 500 last year sometime, which was not a working piece. But chances are they'll be coming out with this model in the next year or so, which is supposed to be the replacement for the Bose Soundsport 3. So thank you for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe if you appreciated this video. And thank you for tuning into Paul's POV for some sound advice. Damn irritating, Leon, I swear.
It's recording.
Who asked you to record?
I said 1, 2, 3, go.
No, I have to.
Recording.
Why? Who asked you to record?
Paul.